just got this from Amazon. It's the Shark, I think it's HV302. Still in the box, plugged it in, literally set it all up. It's brand new. And you go on the first setting, and it's struggling and it smells. On high, it's okay, but on the low setting, it makes that noise. Watch. High setting, you hear the motor just struggle. And it has a smell like it's burning. I'm gonna lift it up so I don't want it to burn. But yeah, this thing is defective. It hasn't even been used. I called customer service and they basically were like, oh, well, send it back to Amazon. So no customer support. I don't want to keep it because it's so obvious that it's not going to last long. I think that soon the motor will burn out. It just sounds weird, and it made a smell. It smells like it's burning, so I don't want to keep it and then regret that I can't return it. All right, I just want to start by She Pretty. All right, it's pink. It's so pretty. Oh, I love her color. Now we're gonna try this baby out, but I will also like to show you her accessories. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so this one is kind of like the, like the normal one. This one is, I am not really sure, but this one is the anti-allergen dust brush. Now, this one's gonna be very, very handy. My roommate's got a dog, and I love dogs, but my nose doesn't, so that's great. It has this high reach one. So these are the 4 babies that we're gonna use on her, and let's try her out. I forgot this big boy, so here it is. Look. Very, very fashionable. Love him. All right, from what I can observe, the cord is decently long. So I put a little bit of baking soda there. So let's try her out. All right, y'all, I'm going to be giving her a 10 out of 10 so far and updating my review if anything comes up as I use it. So here we go. The Shark Rocket is going to vacuum up some oatmeal and sugar because this beast threw some on the floor. Did you do it? Yeah. Let's give it
I've always been a Hoover woman or a Bissell woman, as long as it was cheap, 40, 50, 60 bucks. But this thing right here is a powerhouse. I guess I just didn't know what quality was. Yeah, my vacuum cleaners sucked really well, but this thing, I mean, it is solid. This feels like a power tool. It's got a nice cushion grip. It's got a grip on the bottom there. When you set it down, it's stable. It's not too heavy that you can't use it, but yet you know it's a solid piece of machinery. The filter that's inside right here, I've never seen one like that, but okay. And this little nozzle right here is the beauty of the machine. It just fits into any of the attachments. And I've been reborn. What can I say?
So it's a pretty easy shark to put together. You just put it right there, you lock it in, you plug it in, and all of a sudden you just hit a button and you plug it in, and it'll just go right across the floor. So, you know, it's a pretty good buy on Amazon. Is all you got to do is just click on there and just go to Amazon and look for the shark.
I love this vacuum. Super lightweight. And it even has grip right there. So you can just lean it up against the wall for storage.
So. Grab a screwdriver.